Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how you can create a database from PHP script. So here you can see I am in a PHP script and there is index.php. So I will open Jump first because we want to active the Apache. So first of all, we just have to start it and then we have to also start MySQL, right? So oh, there is a problem. Error MySQL shut down unexpectedly. This may due to block port missing dependencies. Okay, so I have restarted and that's now you can see it's working well. So now let me just open the code editor and so we have to write PHP script. So to write PHP script, we just have to start with Angular sign and then question mark and then we have to write here PHP, another question mark, and then Angular sign. So inside it, we will write PHP code. So here, let me just declare the variable. We had declared a variable here called server, and we know our server is localhost. So we have to write here localhost, and then our username. You know that by default, PHP myadmin username is root, right? Okay, and then password is null. Password null, right? Make sure you don't use space here. Now we have server username and password, but we don't have any database name. So we want to create a database. So let me just declare a variable and that is for the connection. So I will say here con and then I will say here new and then we want to create a connection. So I will say here new MySQL I and inside it we will send the uh, three parameter and that is first one is server name, server, then user and then password. So now we need a query to create database. So I will say here SQL or I can say here query, right? Query, the variable, and here I will write the query and there is create database and then database name. Let's say we want to create a database name Yummy. And now I will execute the query. So I will add a variable here and there is execute and I will say here dollar this server. Okay, sorry. So dollar this variable connection con and then I will access query. And inside query, I will pass this query. Okay. Now it will execute the query. And now I will set a if condition. And here I will say if the query executed successfully, that means the execution is true. I mean, when it's true, the value will be 1. So I will say here if execution true, then I will echo something. Let's say I want to say that database added successfully. Okay. Or- And then else will say echo. Oop, this is the error. And we will paste the error like this. And you have to just access the variable here, con, copy it and paste it here. And then error. And after that, we have to just close the connection. So we just have to say here con, then close. Now, if you write this code properly, then obviously your database should create. So now, if I go to the browser, if I type here localhost slash our project name is test PHP. Here you can see our project name is test PHP and our file name is index.php, and we don't need to mention it here because PHP already execute this index.php file, and it's by default, right? Okay, so if I enter, and then you can see database added successfully. That means our database actually added, right? So how to check it? PHP myadmin. Okay, so we just have to say here localhost, right? And then slash PHP myadmin. So here you can see we have created a database, and that is yummy. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.